Critical Asset makes it easy for users to find and manage vital equipment more efficiently. Users can use the search bar in the top right corner to quickly find critical infrastructure. Here we have a medical vacuum system. On the landing page, we see all of the relevant details, as well as pictures of the asset. Using the service schedule feature, we can see that there's a tune-up for this asset next week. Using the Documents tab, we can find the system manual, and we can also upload any other relative documents to this asset using the plus sign on the right side of the page. We can also see where this asset is located. In this case, it's on the roof of the main hospital building. We can also see that it's being fed from a distribution panel that is also feeding all of the other medical gas assets in this building.